Are you looking best portable wheelchair ramps? Portable wheelchair ramps are essential tools for individuals with mobility challenges, enabling safe and convenient access to steps, doorways, and vehicles. These ramps are particularly valuable for temporary or semi-permanent accessibility solutions, offering flexibility for various environments. To identify the best options for consumers, we evaluated 5 popular models based on their design, durability, safety features, ease of use. List number: VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp, 4 feet. The VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp offers a longer 4-foot design, making it suitable for step heights ranging from 4 to 12 inches. Its double non-skid aluminum surface and reflective safety stickers enhance usability and safety, while the stainless steel hinges ensure durability. The ramp folds for portability and includes comfortable handles to prevent hand scratches. With a load capacity of 600 pounds, it caters to various mobility devices, including wheelchairs, scooters, and baby carriages. While the 4-foot length provides versatility for higher steps, the ramp's weight of 23.8 pounds makes it less convenient to carry compared to shorter models. The reflective warning stickers are a thoughtful addition for nighttime use, but the maximum load capacity of 600 pounds is lower than other ramps in this comparison. Users report that the ramp may sink slightly during use, but rebounds quickly without affecting performance. List number: Fakunu 2 feet portable wheelchair ramp. The Fakunu 2 feet portable wheelchair ramp is a budget-friendly option designed for step heights of 2 to 6 inches. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, it features a textured non-slip surface and extended guide rails for added safety. Reflective strips enhance visibility in low-light conditions, and the ramp folds compactly with a built-in carrying handle for convenience. With an impressive load capacity of 800 pounds, it is suitable for wheelchairs, scooters, and walkers. Despite its affordability, the Fakunu ramp delivers excellent durability and safety features. Its lightweight design, 11 pounds, makes it easy to transport, but the shorter 2-foot length limits its usability for higher steps. Users appreciate the corrosion-resistant stainless steel hinges and the ramp's ability to rebound after minor sinking during use, ensuring consistent performance. List number: 3 feet portable wheelchair ramp. The THDUGG 3 feet portable wheelchair ramp is a mid-range option with a robust 800 pounds load capacity. Its double non-skid design includes frosted layers and rubber anti-slip pads for maximum safety. The ramp folds compactly, and its upgraded handles provide comfort during transport. Stainless steel hinges and a safety latch enhance durability, while reflective strips improve visibility in dark environments. The THDUGG ramp strikes a balance between portability and functionality, weighing 15.61 pounds. It is ideal for step heights of 3 to 9 inches, making it versatile for home and vehicle use. Users commend its stability and ease of storage, though its slightly higher weight may be less convenient for frequent transport. The anti-slip features are particularly effective in wet conditions, ensuring reliable performance. List number: Portable Wheelchair Ramp 3 feet. The Dumet Eisen Portable Wheelchair Ramp stands out with its oblique angle design, allowing doors to open freely without obstruction. Its grit-coated surface and anti-slip rubber pads improve stability and safety, while the hidden handle adds a sleek touch to its design. With a load capacity of 800 pounds, it accommodates various mobility devices, and its corrosion-resistant aluminum construction ensures durability. While the Dumet Eisen ramp offers innovative design features, its weight of 17.26 pounds makes it less portable than lighter models. The oblique angle design is particularly useful for indoor use, but the ramp's higher price and smaller customer base may deter budget-conscious buyers. Users appreciate its sturdiness and ability to handle heavy loads, though its bulkiness may be a drawback for frequent transport. List number: Portable Wheelchair Ramp 3 feet. The Wyminka GEM Portable Wheelchair Ramp offers premium features at a competitive price. With a load capacity of 800 pounds, it is suitable for various mobility devices. Its aluminum construction is durable and lightweight, while the reflective strips and anti-slip surface enhance safety. The ramp folds compactly, and its upgraded handles provide comfort during transport. The Wymanji GMO ramp excels in both functionality and user experience, weighing 17.66 pounds. It is ideal for step heights of 3 to 9 inches, making it versatile for home and vehicle use. Users praise its stability and ease of storage, though its slightly higher weight may be less convenient for frequent transport. The anti-slip features are particularly effective in wet conditions, ensuring reliable performance.